In this video, we have an Acura MDX. This is a newer car, gray, beautiful color. Had a very nice clear coat on it. Had some small defects, nothing serious, scratch here and there. But what I like about doing cars like this is that even though it's new and it looks great, it looks good now, but my goal is to make it look better. And I think I achieved that with this job. But nevertheless, detail therapy at its best. Take a look. Let me know what you think.